Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by powering down and unplugging. Don't skip this. Open the case or remove keycaps now. Keep the screws and parts organized. Once done, use compressed air to blow away debris and inspect the switch and stabilizer visually. If you see grime or sticky residue, plan to clean with a small amount of 90% isopropyl on a cotton swab. These steps remove common causes and set you up for targeted repairs. You now remove the switch or access its internals. For hot swappable boards, pull the switch straight out, otherwise desolder the pins. Take apart the switch housing to expose the metal leaf and spring. Once exposed, clean contacts with isopropyl and a soft brush to remove corrosion. Lightly lubricate plastic stems and stabilizers where recommended. Avoid getting oil on metal contacts. Reassemble the switch and test its travel before reinstalling to confirm the mechanism functions smoothly. You finish by reseating the switch or keycap and testing the key in your operating system or keyboard tester. If the problem persists, swap that switch with a known good one to isolate whether it's hardware or wiring. Once isolated, check firmware or key mapping to ensure it isn't a software issue. Make sure any custom layers are disabled. If a mechanical fault remains after cleaning and swapping, replace the switch. That's the quickest, reliable fix.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.